Hi, and welcome again to another edition of Market Analysis for today, January 30th of 2025. I'm Gio Betancourt. It's a recording done by Vantage Markets, and we're about 2 hours prior to the U.S. session open. All right, so let's get with it. So we saw yesterday's Fed meeting saying that obviously the economy is in good shape, but that inflation has to give, and there's not going to be any cuts coming in until perhaps summertime. So that for one side, so that kind of calmed the nerves of the markets in regards to interest rate cuts. And then on the other hand, we saw that Meta and Microsoft beat expectations, and also Tesla didn't come out quite shiny, but that has given some leg in the indices and Nasdaq. But you would expect a lot more. There's not much of a recovery from, first of all, this gap down that opened up the week on Monday, right? So we haven't really recovered from that, parabolic movement to the downside. Today, we could probably anticipate, because of the earnings season, that valuation is going to remain strong, but more fundamental reasoning needs to be behind everything to push things even higher. So we are at the extreme, okay? That being said, today I'm gonna just leave the same levels that we have placed yesterday, basically because even though yesterday the market did fluctuate lower than the 20-day moving average within the Bollinger Band, it closed above it. So it was violated, but then again, it closed above it. And today we just using it as a measurement of momentum to the downside. So far, that momentum is shifting to the upside. Anyhow, we are above the 50 marker. So that's one thing to keep in mind. As far as the S&P, also within range of Monday fluctuation. So basically, the markets are just holding on to their valuations and holding on to the near tops. So obviously, until this needs to give. The Dow is the one that is showing a consecutive day to the downside, open up with a gap down. So we could probably anticipate a leg down today. Crude oil has finally broken out of that range that it was sitting itself in to the downside. Okay, so we fluctuating below that 50-day moving average. So $72 being psychological round number is going to be that target. Let's use these levels right here, and that 50 moving average is our second. So again, another leg down for crude oil. $70 could probably be targeted. Gold, Nat Gas is fluctuating to the upside. It did find some resistance right around 360, almost getting to 360. So let's see if that will be met later on today. So intermediate buying being long. Then gold is rallying. That all-time high 2785 roundage is right around the corner. So 2800 between now and tomorrow. Silver is nice movement to the upside. So let's use the upper Bollinger Band as a probable level and 3140. Then we're gonna use this level right here and use the 50-day moving average as our second. So moving higher with silver, following the trend, following the momentum. Copper is right there at the resistance level that we have placed yesterday. This is a 50-day moving average as our second, that first. So let's just use this around 430 and that swing high for copper. So moving higher, going with copper, buying. Bitcoin is about to make a nice breakup to the upside. Let's use this levels. I'm gonna use that swing high, and then there's just this double top right here. So probably level of resistance. So going higher, looking to buy. The currencies are trending lower. Let's see if it does sustain itself around 104 or not. Then the pound looking to sustain itself north of 124 still, and that will happen as we see the dollar index, whether it climbs or if it does sustain itself around these levels, just as within range of yesterday, we'll just see some choppiness around. So keep that in mind. If you do see a parabolic movement to the upside, the currencies will definitely drop. Also metals. But if we see the dollar index drop, then we'll see a nice movement to the upside on the currencies and the metals. Have a nice trading day. I'll see you tomorrow.